Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom, and welcome to another simple yet useful tutorial on my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to create drive link to share your files with your friends. And there are a couple of ways how you can do it. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your drive, and suppose you want to share this file with your friends. The first way to just share the link to a specific person, so no one can see the file even if they had the link. To do that, just click those three dots on top and select the share option here. And as you can see, I can add people or groups here. To add people, all you have to do is type their Gmail account. So I'm going to type one Gmail account. Just click that, and all you have to do is click this arrow sign to share, and the link will be shared in their Gmail account. This is the one way, and the other way that everybody who has the link can access those files. To do this, just repeat the process. Select the three dots, let's select that, and select the manage access option here. And here you can see the restricted option. You have to change this option, just change. And anyone, just select this option. Anyone with the link, just select that option, and here you go. All the people that have the links can now access these files. And this is just copy the link and send the link to anyone, and anyone who have the link can access these files pretty easily. And that is it for today's video, and I hope this video helps you in any way. If this video helps you in any way, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on next one.